Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your presentation and deciding which slides to spotlight. Choose view where you prefer to work. Once done, go to Insert and pick Zoom, Summary, Slide, or Section, and hover to preview. You select slides in the order you want them to appear. This creates a navigable zoom menu. Make sure to name sections clearly if using a summary zoom, because that determines navigation semantics. This first step sets the structure for smooth, dynamic navigation through your content. Now refine how the zoom moves and feels. You click a zoom object and use the Transitions tab to set duration and easing. Shorter durations feel snappier for live demos, while longer ones suit storytelling. Once done, toggle Return to Zoom if you want users to go back. Otherwise, leave navigation linear for a forward flow. Make sure thumbnails are legible and apply a consistent style so the audience recognizes the interaction. This keeps attention. To finish, run the slideshow and test every Zoom link exactly as your audience will experience it. Click through in order and try returning to the summary if applicable. If a link fails, reassign the target slide or delete and recreate that Zoom object. Broken links usually come from renaming or rearranging slides after creating the Zoom. Make sure your PowerPoint version supports Zoom when sharing or exporting. If issues persist, save a backup copy and rebuild the Zoom on a fresh file to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.